Hey guys, this is Amjad with another tutorial about how we can interact with Excel dashboards in PowerPoint. Well, while presenting a presentation, we often find a need to interact with the data we have added to our presentation so that we can show some speculative changes to the audience. So to add the Excel dashboard in the PowerPoint, we just need to copy the area from the Excel file and paste it in the slide. Here I have fairly a simple sales data dashboard. What we need is to just select the area and copy it by either pressing the Ctrl+C or by right-clicking on the mouse button. Well, we cannot simply paste it in the slides if we want to interact with the data. So instead of pressing the Ctrl+V right away, we will see the available options here, so that we can paste it and interact with it. Here you can see that under this option it will paste the data and convert the formatting with the slide formatting, which means destination style. And with this option it will keep the Excel formatting, which means it will keep the source formatting, and in this case Excel formatting. And pasting by selecting either of these options will allow us to edit the values, but it will not interact with the other data available in the dashboard. It will also give us the option to select and move other objects individually we have in our dashboard. Let's add some figure to see whether it updates the values in the graphs or not. And I'm putting a bigger value so that we can see it clearly. And here you can see that it did not. Anyhow, we can also paste it by selecting the paste special option. Here we can paste it as object. It will still paste it as an image, which means we can't interact with the data, but we sure can update the link if needed. And by selecting this option, we sure can paste it as picture if there is no need to interact with the data at all. So to interact with the data, we need to paste it by selecting the embed option. And by double-clicking anywhere on it, it will open the Excel file right within the PowerPoint. Here you can see that the menu has changed and we can see the formulas too. Let's edit it by using a formula named RandBetween. It will add some random values which will update the dashboard right away. And here you can see that it has updated the dashboard right within the PowerPoint. Now let's add another dashboard by copying and embedding it. And since it has not been edited so far, it's showing the full area we have selected and embedded. And while editing, it will ask for your permission for enabling the macros if it's included in the file. And if you know the file is wholly from trusted location, then just simply go ahead and enable the macros. Now, after editing it, just click somewhere on the slide and it will turn off the editing mode. And here you can see that it has cut some area from the right end and adjusted to the point where an Excel file can be adjusted conveniently in the PowerPoint. And sometimes it seems distracting. Well, interacting with Excel files in PowerPoint has many limitations, and it also can't be edited when the slides are in the slideshow mode. Anyhow, this is how you can add Excel dashboards in PowerPoint and interact with them right from within the PowerPoint, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.